In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in ActiveCampaign. Whether you're organizing your contacts or tailoring your database to better fit your business needs, custom fields can be incredibly useful for collecting and managing data. So let's dive right in and see how you can set this up step by step. First, you'll want to start by focusing your attention on the left panel of your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Here, you'll find a section labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the main contacts area where you can manage and view all the data associated with your contacts. Now, once you're in the contacts section, your next move is to find and select fields. This option is usually easy to find and is essential for managing the various data fields associated with your contacts. With that out of the way, you're now looking to add a brand new custom field. To do this, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a button that says Add Field. Click on that button, which will set the stage for creating your custom field. Next up is choosing what kind of field you want to add. You're first going to enter a name for your new field. Think carefully about this step. Select a name that clearly represents the data you're planning to collect. This will ensure clarity as you or your team work with this information in the future. After naming it, you'll need to select the field type. ActiveCampaign offers a range of field types, such as text input, drop-down options, and radio buttons, among others. These options allow for flexibility based on the kind of data you wish to capture, so match the field type to your specific requirements for optimal results. Once you've selected your field type and you've double-checked that everything looks good, it's time to hit that all-important Save button. Doing so will finalize your new custom field, making it instantly available for use within your ActiveCampaign workflow. And just like that, you're done. Creating custom fields might initially seem like a daunting task, but as you can see, it's fairly straightforward once you know where to look and what actions to take. With your new custom field, you can now begin refining your data collection processes to better suit your individual or organizational needs. Thanks for joining me on this quick journey through setting up custom fields in ActiveCampaign. Remember, the ability to tailor your contact data precisely to your needs is not only a powerful tool, but a necessity in effective database management. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides, and happy organizing.